Good afternoon, students. Let's welcome you back to my session. Okay, you have already known me, right? So it's me, Sarmila Khatri, and in front of you today I'm again going to talk to you geometry portion. Are you ready to listen with me and just come with me? Okay, before starting the lesson, I hope you have your instrument box with you. Okay, if you don't have, please hurry up and get it as soon as possible. Especially in geometry, we are going to learn it today. Geometry geometry sets. Okay, so geometry sets, its first one is protector, scale, and there is the use of the set square as well as. Okay, so I hope you are not learning about set square, how to use the set square. You are not doing before this. Now I'm going to teach you how to use the set square. Do you know what do you mean by set square? Have you seen this type of objects in your instrument box? And do you have any idea how to use this type of materials? Do you have any idea? Or you just play with it? No idea. Is it? Okay, today I am going to teach you how to use this material as well. Okay, this both of things are called set squares. Okay, now next, and I have protector in my hand and then after scales. So every students, it's my request to you all get these things as soon as possible. Okay, now before starting the lesson, I want to review some points which we have learned last time. Are you ready to listen? Of course, right? Okay, so first one, review of the lesson. See here, I have collected some objects which are shown in the charts. So ready to listen? See here? Okay, here, first one picture is given. What we call for that picture? Okay, do you have any idea? Yes, what we call for it? We call it as acute angle or smaller angle. So I'm going to write the name over here. Okay, if you have your pencil and scale with you, you can go on writing as well. Okay, so this we call number one is acute angle. You can write it like this way, acute angle. Done? Good. Now, second one, the angle which in L in shape. Have you noticed? Which one angle is L in shape? Is this angle is L in shape? Is this or this? No, this one is straight over here, right? It is in L in shape. So I have to write this angle. What is the name of this angle? Tell me. So I have to write here. It's a right angle. Very good. Do you understand? We call it as a right angle. I hope you understand it. Okay, now number three. See here. Have you seen that picture? Okay. Which angle is this? See here, this is the straight line and this one is slightly bending, right? It's a bit more than 90 degrees. Then what we call for this angle? We call it as obtuse angle. We call it as a obtuse angle. Then after, have you noticed this one line? Have you noticed this one picture? See here, this is straight line. So we call it as a straight angle. So I will write here, okay, straight angle. So in number 5, which number is giving? In number 5, which angle is this? Okay, what we call for this angle? Have you remember? Okay, we call it as reflex angle. It's called reflex angle. Now, which angle is left? Tell me. It's number 6. What is there? Have you noticed I have bounded here 2 lines. Up to here, a point, single point, and it will come here, this line, this angle, and it's again come to the back to the same point. So we call it as a complete turn angle. What we call for it? A complete turn angle. So I will write here, okay, complete turn. Okay, I hope you can separate the name of the angles easily. Okay, after writing the name of the angles, so have a look once over here. Here is I have written types of angles at a glance. Let's look once again at this angle. First one is acute angle. Can you give the definition? What is the size of the acute angle? It's greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So can you write in your notebook? Of course, right? So we can give the example. It's greater than 0 degree means started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ended up to 89. Whatever come in the middle, no matter. It doesn't matter, okay? So you can give out any kind of example, whatever you like. Do you understand? So now next is, let's move to the next question. What is there? It's number 2, that is right angle. So right angle means it's exactly L in shape, right? It is straight line. Both of the line are so straight. So we call it as, it's exactly, the size is exactly 90 degree. The size is exactly how much? 90 degree. So how many examples will be there? May I know it? Okay, there is only one example. Can you give me the example? Yes, okay. What is that example? Wow, it's 90 degree only, right? So please write down 90 degree only. Only one example will be there, that is 90 degree. Not more than 90 degree, not less than 90 degree. It's exactly 90 degree. Done? Okay, then after what we come, next one, obtuse angle, right? So in obtuse angle, what we have to write? What is the size? Guess it out. Okay, the size is, it is greater than 90 degree. It's greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, so greater than 90 degree mean what? So we can give the example 91, 92, 93, 94, 100, 120, 130, 135, whatever come in the middle of the up to 179, you can give the examples. It doesn't matter, whatever number you want to give, you can give it. Okay, it must be started from 91 and up to 179, up to 179 is exactly, that will be the obtuse angle. It will be the examples of the obtuse angle. Do you understand? So now let's move. I hope you can give the examples acute angle, right angle and then obtuse angle. Then after, see here, then after straight angle is here. Which angle is there? Straight angle. Same like right angle, it's 90 degree, exactly 90 degrees. Same like right angle, we are going to say straight angle also as a exactly 180 degree. Not more nor less, exactly 180 degree, and it have only one example, that is what? 180 degree only. Do you understand? Okay, so now next, what is there? It's a reflex angle. There are so many angles, right? After 180 also there come some angles, so that angles are known as reflex angle. Okay, so in reflex angle, we are going to give the size. How to give the size? The reflex angle are the greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. Okay, it is greater than 180 and less than 360 degrees. So you can make it. You can give the example. From where you have to start it for giving example? You have to write 181, 182, 183. Go on writing how much you want to write. You can give. Either you can go on serially for writing, or you can write it 181, 195, 196, okay, or 200. How much? Up to how much we have to write? 359. Up to, if you write up to 359, so that any one number will be your reflex angle. Done? Okay, good job students. Now next, let's move to the next and last number. What is that last number? That is a complete turn angle. What is that? A complete turn angle, and we call it what? So, right angle, only one example. Straight angle, again only one example. And complete turn also have got only one single example. Can you guess it and say to me? Okay, what is that answer? Guess it at fast. It's 360 degree, right? Good job. So that's it, 360 degree. There are three angles have single example. What are they? First one, it's right angle. Second one, it's a straight angle. Third one, a complete turn. Okay, and in acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle, we have to give so many examples. If you want to give so many examples, you can give on obtuse, acute and then reflex. Okay, now let's move to another thing. Do you have protector at your hand? Yes, do you have protector on your hand? If you don't have, please carry it fast. I have protector in my hand. See, this is my protector. Okay, observe in this protector very carefully. Are you observing in the protector? Good. See in the protector. Why we use a protector? Please tell me why we are using the protector. For playing? Yes? No. We use the protector for measuring the angles and for the construction of the angles. What is the use of the protector? It is uses for the measuring of the angles and construction of the angles. Okay. Before using this protector, you must know about inner scale and outer scale. Okay. What do you mean by inner scale and what do you mean by outer scale? You have to know about it. Now see what's in the protector very carefully. So see here, from the right side, can you see here? If it is started from 0 scale, have you noticed? See properly, okay? You can check in your own protector also. If it is started from 0 scale or 0 degree scale, then it's inner scale. In the same place, you can see another measurement, that is 180 degree. In the same way, in the same place, you can see the 180 degree, right? So we call it as a outer scale. What we call for it? Outer scale. Inner scale and outer scale. Okay. So, and here I pronounce time and again 0 degree. Degree. Do you know? What do you mean by degree? Please see in your board. Degree mean what? First starting, let's know the meaning of the degree. Degree mean it is the unit to measurement and angle and represent by the symbol, that is dot. So see here, it is the unit to measure the angle. What is it? It's a unit. Just like we used to write 1 kg. In place, instead of kilogram, we used to write kg, right? Same like that, our measurement of angles have also its one unit, okay? That unit we called it as a degree. I think you understood it very well. So again listen me carefully, okay. Degree mean what? It's the unit to measure the angles and represent by the dot. Where to put dot? In your notes? No, right? Where? See, if you write the angle's name 0, then upper part, in up part you have to write degree. Or if you write the 45, you have to write here 45 degree. These are the example. You can write many more example by yourself. Okay. So can you write other example by yourself or not? Okay, I will ask you, okay, next time. So now you have to know the note. That means before writing this, before starting to use the protector, then you have to know the 0 degree mean what? Where is the 0 degree scales? So listen very carefully, and here I have written for you also. That is the note. Have you noticed here? Always use the scale with 0 degree. Have you noticed this one in a note? So always use the scale with 0 degree on one of the arms of the angles. That means you have to always start while measuring the angles, while constructing the angles, always you have to start from the 0. Have you noticed? If you started from the inner scale, then use this one 0. If you are using the outer scale, then use left side one 0. Is there any problem? Any confusion? Okay, now I am going to show you the demo of how to use the protector for measuring of the angles, or how to use the protector for constructing of the angles. First, which you want to learn? Measuring of the angles or construction of the angles? Okay, construction of the angles, right? So be ready with your scale, be ready with your protector. Now, ready? Are you ready to learn? Okay. So see here. First of all, please draw a line. So are you ready to draw a line? See here. Okay, I am drawing the line. See, and plot that line. Okay, now see here. Have you drawn the straight line or not? Please do it fast. Okay, now please give the name of this line. Okay, I am writing here A, B. Okay, for the inner scale, how to use the inner scale? For the inner scale, I am going to use this left side one point. See, that middle one point or arrow which you can see over here in your protector. Arrow or the middle point is it will be straightly 90 degree. You can see this 90 degree as a middle point. Okay, please put that one up straightly. This arrow is straightly in point A. Are you ready to put? Okay, I'm going to put it. Do as I have done over here. Okay, so see here I have kept this. Have you seen? I am not putting the protector in point B. I am putting in point A. So put it like this way, so that my arrow will plot in the same point where I have plot over there before. Done? Very good. So here now, which angle you want to draw? First of all, acute angle, right? Acute angle means any example you can give. Okay, I will give you 55. Is it okay? 55 degree. It is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So I am going to draw the 55. Now count it by yourself. 0. It is in the straight line, right? 0 is in a straight line. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And can you see the middle line over here? In between 50 and 60. So this middle point is known as 55. Please plot the point over here. Okay, with the help of, can you notice this one point? Okay, then write the point name as a C. Done? Okay, now please draw the line segment. Now you have to join, listen here, okay? You have to join this point and this point, point A and point C with a straight line. So for making the line straight, you have to use the scale. So are you ready to draw the line? Okay, then let's draw the line. Okay, use the scale and draw it straightly. Done. Okay, this is how to write the angles number. Put your symbol of angles. It's angle 55 degree. And what is the name of this angle? Acute angle. Okay, I have taught you how to write the name of the angle, also how to draw, how to construct the angle. Okay, like this way 90 degree. If you want to draw the 90 degree. Okay, this for exactly 90 degrees. See, I can use the set square. See here, you can draw the line straightly. You can use this one directly. Okay, see here. Put like this way. See, down one point, make it straight, and here is the corner point, and you can make it straight from here as well. Okay. See here, I'm drawing the line. So you have your one set square at your box, so you can draw it like this way. So if it is too much longer, then you don't need to draw that much also. Okay, so you can erase few lines. So and right here it will be 90 degree. Same like this protector, you have another protector set square. Sorry, this same like this set square, you have also another set square. So this one also have the same uses. See, you can draw the line like this way at down over here, and another straight line from here. Okay, so it will be also exactly 90 degree. What will be it one? Their angle is exactly 90 degrees, so we call it as a right angle. Do you understand? I hope you understand it well. So now next, I am going to erase it. Okay, so now next is acute angle finished, right angle completed, obtuse angle. Okay, I'm going to make it 155. Are you ready to make 155? Okay, then again do the same thing. Let's draw the line. Draw the line straightly and again plot the point AV. See, I'm using the inner scale. Okay, right now I'm using only the inner scale. So same like here, put the protector over here. I hope you can put the protector easily now. So now again go on counting. I need to make an angle of 155, right? So 90 is here, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. It is here. So have you noticed this one point? Have you noticed this one point? So write down the point name as a C. Done. So I have to make it straight. Now you can draw a point like this way. We call it as a obtuse angle, or you can write it at down. Okay, if you don't like here, you can write it here. It will be clean and good also, right? Obtuse angle, and here is 155 degree. I hope now you are able to draw the line. You can draw the acute angle. You are able to draw the line by using a protector. So how you will construct the angles, same like that. You can measure the angles also. Okay, now in next time we will learn about how to measure the angles, and remaining portion on the also in next time. Before that, you have to do some homework. So ready for your homework? See here, are you able to answer the name, sides and vertex of given figure? Are you able to do or not? Okay, I hope you are able to do this one, right? So now next one question is only two homework I am going to provide. Okay, are you able to use your protractor for constructing the angles in differences of 10 degree? Okay, that's your homework. Go on doing, and next classes I will be back with the same thing. Thank you and have a nice day.